Hi children. Today we are discussing about the electrical power problems. So before that we have to know about the relation between power and resistance. Relation between power and resistance. So we know what is the power formula? Power P is equals to voltage into current. Voltage into current, that means P is equals to VI. According to Ohm's law, V is equals to IR. V is equals to how much? IR. Therefore, substitute V value in, we have to go for this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Substituting V value in 1. Therefore, P is equals to, V means what? IR into I. That is equals to I into I means I square into R. So, the relation between power and resistance will go with another formula. P is equals to I square into R. From 2, V is equals to IR, that implies I is equals to V by R. So this is equation 3. So substitute third equation in 1. Therefore, P is equals to V into V by R. So V into V means what? V square by R. Therefore, P is equals to V square by R. So, first of all, the first formula from the electric power, P is equals to VI. From this formula, we know about when substituting voltage, then will come P is equals to I square into R. If it is then substitute current, then power is equals to V square by R. So, these three formulas from related by the power, resistance, voltage and current. So, the units are always watts. Clear? Let's see this problem. An electric iron has a rating of 750 watts, 220 volts. Calculate the current flowing through it. So first of all, we have to go for current. So we have to find the current from these one. And second one, its resistance when in use. How much resistance when it is in from the circuit. Okay. So from the problem, they giving a power 750 watts, voltage 220 volts. So now we have to calculate for the current, and then after we have to go for resistance. Clear? So we have to do this problem. Okay, see it. So given data, first of all we have to go for given data. Given power P is equals to 750 watts. Voltage V is equals to 220 volts. So find out current. It means I is equals to question mark. We know formula. What is the formula? P is equals to VI. That is equals to what is B? 220. Sorry. Let's see. Power P is equals to 750 is equals to V means what? 220 into I. So I is equals to 750 divided by 220. Here 0 cancel. It goes 22 out of 75. So 22 ones, 22 is 44, 23 66, 22 4s are 88. So we can go with 3. 22 3s are 66. So how much here? 9.0 and 4s 88. So 4 is enough. Like that, 3.4 amps. And now we have to go with second one, resistance R. So we know the formula P is equals to VI. P is equals to VI. So we can goes to I square, V is equals to I by R or Ri, like that, anyone you have to use. So P is equals to VI. Then go with V into I is equals to V by R, that is equals to V square by R. So P is equals to V square by R. Therefore P is equals to, what is V square? How much V? 220. 220 whole square by R means how much? You don't know. Am I right? So power we have to know. That is power how much? 750. 750 is equals to 220 whole square by R. Therefore R is equals to 220 into 220 divided by 750. Here 0 0 cancel. Let us 3.4, and 3.4 into, that means 22 ones 3.4, and 3.4, therefore R is equals to 220 divided by 3.4, that is equals to, you can go with calculation, 64.53 ohms. So you have to calculate and correction it, right? This is the problem. And see the second one. For the same potential difference out of 2, what is given? Out of 2, same potential difference, a room heater of 1000 watts and an electric motor of 2k watts, which a greater resistance. So which one is the greater resistance? So how could we know which one is the greater resistance? Let it be the given data. What is the given data? Power of room heater. First one, given data. Power of room heater. Power of room heater is equals to how much? 1000 watts. Power of electric motor, how much? 2 kilowatts. 2 kilowatts means 2000 watts. 1 kilo can goes to, since 1k is equals to 1000. So first of all we have to go for P1 is equals to 1000 watts and P2 is equals to how much? 2000 watts. Now which is the greater resistance? How we can go with which one is the greater resistance? We know the formula, P is equals to V square by R. P is equals to V square by R. So since here we can go with voltage is same. Suppose P1 is equals to V1 square by R1. P2 is equals to V2 square by R2. P2 square by R2. Same voltages means we can go with the P1 R1 is equals to V square. P2 R2 is equals to V square. So V square common, then go for P1 R1 is equals to P2 R2. So R1 by R2 is equals to P2 by P1. Am I right? So here R1. So this is from left to left means denominator, and this from left to right means denominator. So that's why P2 by P1. So what is P2 here? P2 how much? 2000 by what is P1? 1000. So zeros cancel. Therefore R1 by R2 is equals to 21 by 1. So which one is the highest resistance? So R1 is highest or R2 is highest? So R1 is the highest resistance of the circuit. R1 is greater resistance. Or else see, R1 is equals to 2R2. So 2 times of resistance 2. So that's why R1 is greater resistance. Clear?